Hey friends, today we're painting a leafy vibrant pattern with simple brushstrokes in watercolor. This is a great practice if you want to exercise your brushwork or just doodle something to relax. For paper, I'm using this super thick watercolor paper from Hanemula. It's a non-cotton paper with a smooth surface. As you can see, for painting these leaves, I use this flat brush and with a circular movement, I create these more like abstract shapes. If you feel like this is hard, you could also draw the shapes before you fill them in. But this way I wanted to exercise my brushwork, and sometimes I just like to paint loosely without planning too much. And so I put down the transparent orange, which is the lightest orange here I have in this palette. And before that dries, I put it in some um, darker colors like burnt sienna or the Alizarin Crimson. I just let the paint to spread and create this more natural look. And when it comes to composition, I want to create a flow by painting these leaves in different directions. So the ones to the right have more downward direction, the one to the left more upward, and I keep doing so to create a circular movement across the page. Now to balance the colors a bit, I add some greens. It's mostly green gold, sap green, and then Prussian green to create a balance between the cooler colors being green and the warmer ones being oranges, reds, and browns. Now I paint in between leaves, so filling in these white spaces in between with leaves as if they are in the layer behind. And I leave these tiny white spaces in between when I do so. Also, here I'm adding a darker green, it's a Prussian green, and next to the lighter ones to create more contrast and depth. Also painting in some little acorns to, I don't know, just have something with a different shape. And painting loosely like this um, with simple shapes, creating a composition out of simple shapes, I think is super relaxing. This is what I love to do when I just want to paint to relax without thinking too much about the subject, about the idea, composition, and I just do this kind of doodles. Um, and I think it's a great way to both exercise brushworks, color combination, but also to just paint for the sake of relaxation. And for the final layer, I fill in between the shapes with my yellow ochre, and while these parts are wet, just putting in again some darker dots um, to create a more interesting texture. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is adding these tiny final details. Since this paper has a super smooth surface, it works great with colored pencils, and I like the textures you get when combining watercolor with colored pencils. Finishing it up with some color splashes and shiny golden details. I love adding a little magic and glitter to my paintings, and couldn't resist to add to this one as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out my other tutorials or follow me on Instagram for more content like this. Thank you and see you in the next one.